We all have cells, isn't it? Now in figures, how many hundreds or probably millions do you have in your body?
10 trillion.
Basically, it's already trillions. It's no longer billion. It's no longer millions. It's trillions, isn't it? And one of the famous cells is what?
Stem cell.
Before your inception, which one do you think is the famous cells? Any guess? Pinahula ko na po ito nung nakaraan eh. Hindi ba yung letter S? Exactly. That's the famous one. Diba? We have trillions of cells. Now, to be able to make your system robust or strong, and your organs expecting to be functioning normally or 100%, you must at least take a look primordially at your cells. Question: are you feeding your cells on a daily basis? The answer is no. Fried chicken, fried. Sometimes, andyan yung kaibigan mo kasi si Rose Wasan, hindi ako makapagsalita. She's a vegetarian. So, minsan, I really wanted to check and see what kind of vegetable are we putting into our mouth. Ako, nakasama ko sila Rose, maingat sila. Pero mind me, hindi lahat ng vegetable nyo sa Baguio ay free of chemicals or ligtas kayo sa chemical. I knew for a fact because yung isang negosyo ko is fertilizer.